Northwoodskindred.blogspot.com.
Is that a social media site?
Yeah. No, it's just a blog.
Sounds like social media. So no.
Northwoodskindred.blogspot.com.
It's just a
I didn't
website.
even know we
You
had
can
a blog.
Google it.
A vlog or a blog?
Blog. We have a blog with a B where we write, and we have a vlog with a V where we record. We do both.
I don't know. I did not know. Yeah.
We're gonna wrap these up, Joe.
Yep.
Pull the loop through, and then pull the whole thing through the loop.
Check.
And it's cool because I know you have a knot aptitude.
Got it.
So
That's a thing, though. That is the thing.
it is really a thing.
Hey, I'm okay with you guys giving me I'm totally fine.
Get off it. You just gotta get it piled up enough so we can throw it on the bucket. This is the booty.
That's the booty.
This
So
is the fruity booty.
we need that one needs to come over here, though.
Yes.
Let's just. I got the booty.
Smoochy boochy. Smoochy.
Metal. Oh yeah, it's like a saucer.
Oh, wow. That was pretty good insertion.
You like that? It's no lube.
Looks like a pro. Now we gotta do the Iwo Jima thing. All up in the middle.
Alright, run the tin over.
Step. Okay.
Rune. My dog got stuck. Come on, Rune. Rune, come on. No, buddy. Buddy. You're gonna get in trouble. Joey,
Putting in pins and then pulling them.
Yep.
You know?
What am I doing?
That's what you're doing. Go get the pin.
Alright.
Yeah, go opposite me. This is so much easier than I thought it would be.
Where are you going? Nowhere.
Okay, I'm gonna need slack.
Alright, it's fine.
Yeah, just give me slack. I got it. I got it locked off. One more.
You got the technique. Now put a little bit more oomph. Squeeze that core, squeeze those lats, right? Bend your knees. Be limber, like you're dancing. There you go. Now you can Captain America.
Yeah.
Come on, let's see it. Oh.
Nice.
Put that side, then turn it. A third. What?
Nice. No. I want it We don't need the light out here. If you can bring that back in and zip tie it back under here, that way the cord ends are tied under the tarp and they won't get rained on. You know what I'm saying?
Set it back in there.
These are totally blinking on here.
Yeah, it's frequency.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, you recorded 60 hertz. They're probably blinking at 50 hertz.